Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Jeff from Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a vintage Yellowstone whiskey mirror sign. This would have been in some type of bar or liquor store that the customers could go and check out their hair or makeup and see how they look. So if you are into whiskey collections or vintage signs in general, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.